Morning, guys. It's me, Brandi, and I am here to do some swatches for you guys of the Glamlite Chocolate Factory box. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch out the S'mores palette first. And this is the highlight and bronzer palette. So it looks like this. It's really beautiful. And I don't feel like the colors are wrong for me, which that is not always the case. So I'll swatch it up here. That's nice. And the next one is called Marshmallows. It's just an icy white highlighter. Ooh, that's pretty. It's almost like a duochrome. And then the last one is Graham Cracker. And it's like a golden bronze. I feel like all of those will be okay for me as far as highlight goes. The Graham Cracker one might be a little bit too dark, but we will see what happens. And then I already showed you the other things I got, the Choco Lash and the Candy Bar Lash. And then the Chocolate Donut Lash. The crazy ones. Let's see, and I have not swatched out. I have not swatched this out. This is the hot chocolate lip. And then the other one is the s'more lip. So let's see which one. Oh, the s'more lip is much darker. So let's see, I can swatch this on my arm or on my hand. Ooh, that's beautiful. Smells like chocolate. God, and this doesn't want to open. Alright, so here is the other one. Ooh, I would say that one's a little bit more the s'more one is a little bit more see-through, or not see-through, opaque. I like both of those. I don't know which one. I'll probably do the darker one. Alright. And then the pièce de résistance, the Glamlite palette. Chocolate donut palette. Looks like this. And I am going to swatch it on my arm. I'm going to start right here with Sweet Filling, and then I'm going to go around. I'm usually not a big fan of palettes that are... There's the first one. I'm usually not a big fan of palettes that are this shape. And I love the Glamlite formula. Look at that, that's so beautiful. That was marble. Next we have white chocolate, which is like a pink. Ooh, it's like a duochrome. It's like a pink to gold to brown. That's beautiful. Girls and boys, I think I might have to use that one in my look. And next we have Sweet Tooth. And then we have the dark brown, which is double chocolate. After that we have Eclair, which to me, Eclair and double chocolate are really close. And then my favorite donut flavor, Boston Cream. And then we have Chocolicious, which is more of like an orangey brown. And then we have Chocolate Sprinkles. It's all very like one-toned. And then we have what people have been calling the highlighter shade, but I don't know if it's actually like considered the highlighter shade in the palette. I just feel like it's the lightest shade. Look at how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. All right, so let's go ahead. Ooh, pretty. We'll put that back in its little holder because Lord knows I can't not. And I really want to put this on my lips. Ooh, it has like oh, the sun is here to stay, ladies and gentlemen. Goodness. All right, so that is in different lighting. So pretty. I really think that I should do a look. I just haven't decided which palette I want to do the look with yet. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Please do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video down below. Comment, did you get this box from Glamlite? What do you think about Glamlite? You let me know. And then also, yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.